So what's the real difference between Word and Docs? Well, it all starts with their interfaces.
Docs keeps things super simple with a single toolbar, while Word packs its power into a tabbed ribbon.
Over in Docs, all your essential formatting shortcuts are just neatly grouped right at the top. It's totally built for speed. Just click the upper left to rename or quickly adjust your margins. Now, Word uses specific tabs like Design and Insert. You can even minimize this ribbon to save space. Need to move faster? Just customize Word's Quick Access toolbar up top for stuff like Quick Print. But here's the thing, Docs absolutely shines when it comes to seamless online teamwork and sharing. See that upper right corner? Those comments and share buttons make collaborating with anyone completely effortless. If Docs is for quick sharing, Word is your heavy hitter for complex, layout-rich documents like newsletters.
Word gives you insane layout control. Just toggle those top and left rulers to fine-tune everything perfectly.
Plus, its flexibility is unmatched. Views like read mode or print layout adapt to whatever you're working on. Word also has this backstage view. Clicking File opens up a massive central hub for managing your document. Kinda lost in the ribbon? Just use Word's built-in Tell Me search bar to instantly find any command. So, it all boils down to your needs. Grab Docs for quick sharing and Word for complex layouts. They both bring incredible strengths to the table, so which one is going to power your next big project?